Hi, Susan from Susan's Art and Junk Journaling. Thank you for joining me today. I've got another Wing It. I never know what I'm going to make, so when you guys see the thumbnail, you get to see the finished project, but I never know what I'm going to do. I got this Shams Investments book. It's a 1992 book from Habitat for Humanity Restore. And this is from 1992. I want to make some tags, and this has got some wonderfully patinaed pages. They're already brown. I tore some pages out, and I will glue these together to give the real thin, wimpy paper. I'm going to glue them together and making sure that the equation is the star when I fold these. I'm going to work on 4 of these. Let's see what I come up with. I cut the crooked ends off the top where I tore the page, and I left myself a little bit of, I'm going to call it a seam allowance, because I'm going to take these to my sewing machine eventually. Let me cut off the top of this one. Make it nice and straight. And give myself a little bit of an allowance here as well. I will be cutting these into a tag shape at the top. Yeah, top. There, at the top. I will give these all a tag shape. Then I'm going to sew them onto this 8x8 paper stack I got from Habitat for Humanity for $1. It was on clearance for $10 wherever it was on sale at. I'm gonna guess maybe either Michael's or Hobby Lobby. Some pretty bright colors that will be on the back. I've chosen 4, I'm gonna say they're red, but they look kind of pinkish. I'm going to turn these so when I sew the 3 sides together, this will be the back side. What I've got left over will be the journal card. I've got them close pinned together. I'm gonna start here, go around, down and over. I've got brown in my sewing machine, so I had to reload it, and I chose brown instead. And I think I will put my needle to the right and just follow right there. Don't need a clothespin anymore. ever since home ec, what was it, freshman year in high school, 13, I always backstitch. And I'll do that to all of these and show you the outcome. I've cut the cards. They complement each other. This is a little tuck spot. Let's see, will that fit that way? Yes. I also want to, I've got this Wildflowers of North America. I got this from an antique store in Minnesota for $3. It's got a whole bunch of wonderful flower pictures. I'm going to tear some out, glue them here, and then also glue something here so that they match each other. So let's see. Oh, what a pretty color. I really don't want to tear these. I think I will take my X-Acto knife, my sword of exact zero. You guys know what I'm talking about there. Let's see if I can go along here and not have to rip. Ah, there we go. Let's see, that's 1, 2, 3. Let's do one more. And here we go, all done. I stapled on some lace at the top. Here's the picture, little tuck spot, just tuck spot here, and the journal card. I could probably put some plain paper back here so you can journal on that as well, but that can be down the road if it's needed. That's a colorful little project. I'm pleased with how it turned out. I hope you enjoyed that. If you're a subscriber, I appreciate every single one of you. If you haven't had a chance to subscribe yet, it's free. You just have to hit the button once. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you guys stay safe. I hope you didn't have to deal with too much snow and ice with this recent storm. We were at, -3 Fahrenheit this morning. It's still really cold outside. Hopefully we'll get into just below freezing temperatures this week. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.